Join SAI Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by SAI Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Prudent.
Our Honorable Prime Minister has started this Fit India mission, saying fitness ki dose आधा घंटा रोज. And in the same mission, we have started all these programs to propagate the message of Fit India. Irrespective of the age limits, everybody should devote their half an hour at least for the fitness. And to propagate this message to the maximum people, we are coming up with a different initiatives, interesting initiatives. And this is an iconic location. Miramar Beach itself is an iconic location to propagate the message. And Goa has a vibe because of their beautiful beaches. So we have come up with this good idea of beach yoga to propagate this message of fitness. So we have carried out and touched upon all the sections of Sports Authority. Sports Authority of Goa is also helping us a lot, and Sports Authority of India. So all agencies are coming together to propagate this message wide across. There are various Fit India initiatives we have taken in Goa. Sports Authority of India first time doing it beach yoga here.